Joe Beermaster. Today we're doing a restoration job on an Oldsmobile 442, which has a lot of rust, and we're going to be using the POR, the 415 rust preventative, and I'm going to just give you a quick review, show you how to use it. This stuff permanently stops rust from happening on the vehicle that you're repairing. On this particular car, we're replacing the T-top kit, and underneath there's a lot of rust. So we ground this out as best we could. And the first thing you have to do, we've already completed it. You can see the POR 15 is on there. So the first thing you do is grind it to where you want it. We're also going to fill these holes too. We're going to do some fiberglass in there. First thing you do is it comes with a cleaner. Here is the cleaner. Degreaser comes with three things: cleaner, degreaser, the metal prep, and the POR 15. So the POR cleaner degreaser is sort of like a grease and wax remover. Once you clean up everything as best you can, that will take any excess grease or grime off. Then after you're done with that, that dries, you put the metal prep on. This is a metal etching rust neutralizer. This is what actually neutralizes the rust. It's very clear. And you put it on, and what we used here to put that on is a little cup. Poured it in there, and it comes with a little brush, and we just brushed it on. And you put 2 coats of that. You leave it on for a half hour, put the second coat. Then you wipe it with a soapy cloth. That's to get all the excess off. It doesn't hurt it. And after that dries a little bit, you put the rust preventative on right there. So this is what we did here again. We put 1 coat of the rust preventative, and that permanently will stop and seal the rust. So this is sort of a quickie repair on this. We did this, then we're going to fill these holes, do the body work, and then put the T-top kit. We're going to rivet that all on. We decided to rivet instead of weld. So, but that's basically how it works. So to put the seal coat on, I'm going to show you the brush they give us for that. Just a little brush here. We dab it into the can. And kind of spreads really easily. You want to make sure that it doesn't get on anything. It takes about 5 hours for this to dry. 5 hours. So before we can do anything else, we have to let that dry. And we're going to finish it off, and then we're going to cap this with brand new stainless steel metal. Like I said, it's not a complete restoration. It's not a show car. But this will all be covered up, and it will be sweet when it's done and protected. So it's real easy to use. You've got to clean the surface, grind it smooth, clean it, put the cleaner on there, then put the rust neutralizer on, and then put the seal coat. And this stuff works. It really works. So it's 3 easy steps. You clean it, you prep it, and you coat it. That's how it's done. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Take care.